Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram not posted yet problem. So the first thing you wanna do, or the first solution, is go to the settings, open the apps manager like this, and then here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now, or what you want to do here is click on this force stop option and go to the storage. Click here on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and now click on the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. That's the first solution. The second solution is go to the settings, open the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it. And the third solution and last one is you need to make sure that you don't have any problem with the network that you are connected to, or just change it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.